So I want to start with my GATE journey. So my GATE journey started in during my Infosys employment. Few of my colleagues were preparing for GATE, and with their company and their interest, with my interest, I started preparing for GATE. And in 2019, I like I decided to prepare with self-study, and I secured All India rank 2184 with the blessing. And then it was not sufficient for getting into IIT Bombay, and I eagerly want to go into IIT Bombay. And with the blessing of God, in 2020, I got an opportunity to have like having preparing for the GATE under the guidance of Professor RSV. And truly I'm thankful to God that he like it gave me a senses to join Vision Gate. And this I can say because uh, no one than RSV sir can understand Gate the way he understands. He how can I explain? He personally attends each student. He personally gets the weakness of the student, and he mitigates, and he makes sure that and works so hard, maybe harder than us, to mitigate our problem. He was saying in his speech that who else can be luckier than him? So we are luckier because we got an opportunity to be part of his life, to get an education from him. And apart from that, I want to say something about him, that sometimes during his education, I do feel that more than us, he cares for our exam. So I want to thank you so. Matlab, I can't even tell in words that thank you so much, sir. That's all I can say. Apart from that, I want to thank my friends who has always motivated me, and I want to thank my parent. I want to thank my parent for being always there for me. I wanted to, as part of thanking them, I want to sing a song. But if I sing a song, then entire hall will be empty. So I just want to give a crux of it, that ये तो सच है कि भगवान है, and they are present in the form of my parent. And I want to promise you that I will be capable so that I can give you the best in this universe. And I love you, and I will love you the more than you love me. Thank you.